Are you running Google Ads for your dental practice? In this video, I'm going to cover the 3 different types of conversion tracking that you need in order to effectively track your Google Ads for your dental practice. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs up icon and subscribe. Let's go do this. I've been running Google Ads for dentists for about 10 years now, and there are 3 main forms of conversion tracking that we do. If I show you in a dental Google Ad account now, you'll see these first 3 are these 3 different types of conversion tracking. One is calls from ads, the other one is to somebody who fills in an online appointment form, and the third is calls from the website. So what are these? The first being the calls from ads. So that's really from the call extension in the ad itself. So as you can see here, the phone number is present in the ad. That is from the call extension, but when viewed on a mobile, you'll be able to actually see that call button, and the person can click that call button. A prompt comes up on their phone to confirm do they want to call or do they want to cancel, but they never actually go to the website. Okay, so that's the first type. The second type is the people who fill in an online form. Going to a dental website here, those are the people who would fill in this online appointment request form. So that would be the second type of conversion tracking. And the third type of conversion tracking will be the people who go to the website, don't fill an online form, but actually click on that call button. So that's why there's 3 different types of conversion tracking to account for the different ways that people are going to get in contact with this particular dental practice. If you don't do all 3, then you're going to be missing out on tracking all the possible leads that you're getting, which, yes, you will receive those leads, but you won't get the transparency in your Google Ad account as to what's working and what's not working. So that's why we really recommend implementing all 3 forms of conversion tracking for your dental practice. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up icon and subscribe. And if you want to learn how to run Google Ads for dentists, you can check out my course at teachtraffic.com, and I'd love to help you in there. Thanks for watching.